Live the dream. Go Galapagos offers an unparalleled experience aboard the Galápagos Legend, a ship designed to provide comfort and adventure in the Galápagos Islands. Here are the key aspects that make the Legend a top choice for exploring this unique destination. The Galápagos Legend is a spacious vessel with ample decks, designed for stability and speed. It boasts a capacity to accommodate a significant number of passengers, with a high crew-to-passenger ratio, ensuring personalized service and safety at all times. The ship features multiple decks, each designed for specific activities and relaxation. Passengers can enjoy panoramic views, sunbathe, or relax in shaded areas. The Legend offers a variety of itineraries that cover the most breathtaking parts of the Galápagos Islands. Each journey is meticulously planned to provide the best experience of the archipelago's diverse ecosystems. Activities include guided island excursions, snorkeling, and dinghy rides, allowing passengers to explore the unique wildlife and landscapes up close. The ship's expedition team comprises experienced guides, skilled mariners, and snorkeling instructors. Our team uses dinghies for island landings and provides in-depth knowledge about the flora and fauna. The Legend offers a range of cabin types, from comfortable standard rooms to luxurious suites, all equipped with modern amenities and designed for relaxation after a day of exploration. Aboard the Legend, passengers can enjoy various services, including a restaurant serving gourmet meals, a bar, a pool, a gym, and a spa. The onboard dining experience is exceptional, with chefs preparing delicious meals that cater to diverse dietary needs, including kosher options. The ship features a wealth of infrastructure and activities to keep passengers engaged, from educational talks and photography workshops to active pursuits like kayaking and snorkeling. The Legend caters to a wide range of interests, including special interest groups, MICE, meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions, photography enthusiasts, active travelers, educational tours, kosher groups, and private charters. Go Galapagos has been a trusted operator for decades, ensuring that every aspect of the journey is safe, enjoyable, and enriching. With experienced guides, state-of-the-art facilities, and a commitment to sustainability, the Galápagos Legend offers an unforgettable expedition to one of the most extraordinary destinations on Earth. Live the dream.